Right, so advice on choosing a background. If you want a background image, you might just want a block of color on your game. But if you do want a background image, like I had in the practice game that you made, the way that I found that was I searched for parallax background on Google Images. Now you can add other stuff there, like if you want a certain type of image, like a forest, you could add parallax background forest and see what you find, or you can just click on that and it comes up. But what you're looking for here is an image that kind of repeats itself. So some of these aren't any good, some of them are. So if you look at like this one here with the trees, that is actually pretty good because that cloud there is going to match that cloud there. That tree there is going to match that tree there. The ground's the same height and so on. So when you put that in the background and you tile it and repeat it, what it does is it just looks like you've got loads of trees and mountains in the background. And as you walk along through the level, if it's a platform level, then it just looks like you've got all of that in the distance in the background, and nobody really stops to take any notice of the fact that it's the same trees repeating themselves over and over again. So that one there is an example, if I just go back, sorry, of one that would work. This one would work because stuff's the same height. That one would work nicely for a city scene. That one would work there, and so on. Now, the larger the image, like you can see that one's 1200 by 450, the bigger it'll be in your background, and the less chance there is that it's going to be pixelated. So you can obviously judge how good these are going to be based on the size of them. If I went for that one, which is only 519 by 280 pixels, so it's 280 pixels high. If I get that one, the largest that can make my game without that picture becoming pixelated is going to be 280 pixels. So that's probably not a good choice. I want to go for something that's bigger than that. Now, I'm not going to show you in this video how to put your image into your game. Just remember that when you click on that, bad choice actually, I've just said that one's not very good. So let's pick a different one. Just remember when you click on one of these to make sure you copy the full image. So I'd want to click on that and find the original large image, if I can, and use that one because that's going to be larger and that's going to work. If I just copy it straight from Google, it's going to be a smaller size, so it's going to pixelate when I make it bigger. This one here might not be a good choice because it's taking a little while to load. What you might be able to do sometimes is if you copy the image address and then just paste it into the browser like that, sometimes it takes you straight to it like that, which has actually worked a lot better. So I'd right click, I'd save image as, save that into my area, hopefully give it a good name in a right folder, and then I can put that into my game as a background in the same way that we did in the practice game. So that's just hopefully using that word parallax will help you to find some images which kind of repeat themselves if you want a scrolling game like the practice one was.